Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Answer na meto yaso no. Mamenka assemble. I am glad to say Melodies TV ya hit 100,000 subscribers. Na yebeye a special broadcast on that. 100,000 special broadcast that particular way so, but I am glad to say that. Now, say share now we say subscribers still and reflect you say 100,000 but me I'm a back end there. I reflect. I won't say na YouTube or more updated. Sometimes views in the crown so if you are seeing it say 99.9 thousand subscribers may catch say I hit 100,000 on the back end. I may mention update and sana aba enim intino no any in someone yede to yeda mu na se mo join okay you there, let me just go straight to the point, but I'll do a special broadcast on the 100,000 subscribers. I'll do a special broadcast, I promise. Now yan konsem ni mu emse ni nia ye bo President Akufo-Addo echi se wombra na wombe kasa because ohwe de ekoso wo Nigeria dia na e was President Akufo-Addo ekasa na eni aye bonichi e the President Akufo-Addo bekasa etiefuo e na President Akufo-Addo bekasa ye wo bekasa ye no Nigeria for etwa efechi ebedi President Akufo-Addo atem mebe ye broadcast ka se de Nigeria for air kano enchaye de Nigeria for air kano enchaye na womokra president enkasa ye na yenye president akasa mu fechi aba be kaseti ayenye president sa na mekan etiefo enwumre wei Nigeria for president akasa na asemu a wo kan tintini ni tietia ama ende ukọ online a President Akufo-Addo ni din trende President Akufo-Addo din trende ewo online na nini na ene se Nigeria president akan sembi nsemu a waka no akwa kotwi President Akufo-Addo ama enkrofo a wo mo de besre no wo mo e de sre President Akufo-Addo ba unim we ni na echi no me kire ma adwen e wasem we so enyama bi ayeye e wo my we mu no e wo se yejai. Now let me read what the Nigerian president said. Now me read the Nigeria president no okan ye wie ya ye behe nsema okan ye bebre ba ko a de okan ya Ghana fo ni na ye de esre anankrofo de esre President Akufo-Addo no mo sre President Akufo-Addo no nso no ye bema mo aso atensem. I just want to find the text. Oh, Nigeria for president in Sembebre wokan. Just obekan Sembebre. Obekan Sembebre. Enye easy. Aha, any. I say to our neighbors in particular, muntie niye. I say to our neighbors in particular and members of the international community, many of whom have expressed concern about the ongoing development in Nigeria. We thank you and urge you all to seek to know all the facts available before taking a position. Na asemo a wo kan no u reading the brofo mu a waka ne dedede. Ne tieti ni tieti a wo kan se wo mo ben yen na fofo a mo nso mo kasa wa asem we hu no yesre mo mundi mu fi asem. That is how Ghanaians are understanding our statement here Nigeria for president apasi into omo a womo de best President Akufo-Addo de sreno say it was say wodi ni fiasem, but mind you President Akufo-Addo acted just because Ghanaians called upon him to act. Me can say President Akufo-Addo won't act. No ni din trendy celebrities ebo ni din say aden na won kasa inti ende President Akufo-Addo akwa kasa na Nigerian president aba be kan same way, and you see obi be ka say na say wan bo President Akufo-Addo din, but you see that's how it is. Or say to our neighbors Misreo West Africa has say why and our kasa fa Nigerians and same way it is only President Akufo-Addo. It is only him It is any bakoneka say to our neighbors are. Nigeria for one your neighbors. One will refer to Ghana for our moka say your neighbors. One country America for say Americans are our neighbors. That we are in different continents. You want to make us our neighbors. Into one country to our neighbors in particular. And no man who say for the Ghana. Because Nigeria for can say Ghana for the Union, Ghana for their neighbors, Ghana for their neighbors. And what shall West Africa hand near and cry a bear Nigeria near a Ghana pet and the Yakasa and was same way. Ghana penny Yakasa. It is our address no case. Me now for among some more casa e was same way home and I say me neighbors some more casa was same way home. Obviously, a Ghana and a walker in one sem. And people were able to read in between the lines. Nigerian celebrities nibi can't say ow Ghana for moi ebe boyen and then their president no warrior Ghana president is in actually say tintin ni tietiem or see ndi ye fiasem Nigerian president don say ma walk no say ye kasa ye hey radi Yesu Kristo we ama nkrofo twabo men kasa nkrofo twabo president kra nkrofo three president Akufo-Addo. But you see why was President Akufo-Addo no, you should be ashamed of yourself. Let me tell you something. Tie. Say ye ho sa Ghana has ayeti. It is only in this country I will be e de akomapa ekoya ade na ade na anye yi a na afa yesre nipa koro. And that behavior won what it does and they say e must be nkrofo enyi wo makumem enye papa biom. That's the truth. That's the truth. Emma enkrofo yi wo makumem enye papa because onim se wokoye papa na bia papa na kwa kosi ne bone a Ghana for be sre no Ghana for be bonichi we will not appreciate the fact say nipa ko no wo yi akomapa wo de akomapa na wo de yes ade no we will not appreciate the fact ewie bone na ewie ye no ne de ka. For me, I will always praise President Akufo-Addo. And listen, it will go in the annals of this continent. Say embra Nigerians and sem eba no. President Akufo-Addo was the only African president, and I said the only West African president to speak on this matter. It will go in the history books, and it is a good image for the president. It is and that more no. Mudia mu nim de moye. Eya mo say ane and the won President Akufo-Addo aseminti no Nigerian president na ka bibi say na wo twi President Akufo-Addo ni mofo mu a na e was yes president who dey ko Twitter na ko he influencers and things people are laughing at President Akufo-Addo say ane e wo say odi ni fi asem atame oskan no wante ba me dey maka wo bi aboni si a wo ka ene tre say wo care the person cares. It is a one who said this is an avenue for you to be laughing at the president for the good effort he has made, then you are lost. Me say who didn't pay chi? The nipa beka wonya papa wo wiase mu. Etiefo who didn't pay chi? Who did the nipa beka chi a wonya papa wo wiase mu da? And that is the I am telling you. Unya papa wo wiase mu da. So who did the nipa beka chi a? Nasa. Boni ben ena President Akufo-Addo aya mo amobesre no na mo ka Nigerian president me de Nigeria de chia kai wo mo we ye pre wo de oye panyintie ni kwanse ye kasetia no oye panyintie ni kwanse uko read this statement I will release ya just papa and fan nkrofo ewu a BBC for reporting Reuters for reporting nkrofo bebre and fan hu ono de nsem bia wo keka nkrofo wu man mu a nkrofo kasa se enye no de wo kani de wo ka eni intino de da ono no Nigerian president ne de ebia by you see ebia na enye on refer to President Akufo-Addo by ye taking on the other side. That can also be a possibility. But senior we can say to our neighbors and international communities, ɛno na ama yɛ na yɛ ka say we the direct dig at President Akufo-Addo. But you see the other one no mo ntwa mo adwo comment box ni mu me da ase.